Si Lilet dito, nangihiram po ng rape-related cases para po makatulong sa kanyang kliyente na nadidiin sa mga allegation ng Trixie Engano.
Trixie Engano?
Maybe there's more than one Engano here in the Philippines.
So what if she's related to the father of Lily? You still have feelings for him?
Kung gusto mo, maging partners tayo.
Partners?
Ito pa rin yung mga pangarap natin. Ang ipagtanggol ng mga naapi.
It was so strange. Pag-uwi ko, akala ko talaga kaharap ko si Lilet. And you know, I was so happy.
Kung ano-ano na nangyari, hindi pa rin mabubura na importante sa'yo si Lilet.
Nung nabalitaan ko nga, dumalaw siya sa ospital. Halala ko yung boss niya habang nag-aagaw buhay ako. And in that moment, nabura lahat. Lahat ng galit, inis, pikon. And all I wanted, makasama lang si Lilet. Maging buong pamilya ko, together with Lilet.
I guess it must be something na dyan sa puso mo. Matagal mo nang hinihiling.
Naalala mo ba nung college tayo at pinag-usapan natin sino pa sa ating dalawang unang magkakaroon ng 1 milyon sa bangko?
At syempre, nanalo ka. Para ka ba namang kalabaw kung magtrabaho? Sabi mo pa nga kailangan ma-hit mo yung 1 million target. Dahil gusto mong mabigyan ng magarbong kasal si Patricia at nais mo rin siyang ilibot sa buong mundo.
Because Patricia deserves it.
At nang dumating si Trixie, well, pataas na ng pataas ang target earnings mo.
Dahil yung asawa ko, gusto niyang ilibot ang mundo. But with Trixie, I wanted to give her the world. You know, I've worked so hard all these years for all of this. All these riches. Buying properties, lots, businesses. All this wealth. Na alam ko naman na hindi ko madadala kapag mamatay ako. Only to realize what are the important things that I'll leave behind. Love, friendship, family, legacy.
At lahat ng yan, meron ka.
Si Lilet.
Lahat na pinaghirapan mo, maiiwan mo sa dalawang taong importante sa'yo. Ang dalawang mundo mo, si Patricia at si Trixie.
Ano si Lilet?
I'm sorry. I don't like the idea of talking about death. It makes me feel so uncomfortable. At saka, I also don't like the idea na pinag-uusapan ninyo, pamamanahan mo si Lilet? I'm sorry, narinig ko kasi ang lakas ng boses niyo After everything she's done to us, pamamanahan mo pa siya. Dapat lahat yun ibigay mo kay Trixie. Evan, lunch is ready. Why don't you join us? Ramir.
Patricia, I'm sorry, but I don't like the idea of you listening on my conversation with Evan.
I'm sorry, I can't help it. Ang lakas ng boses niyo, naririnig ko.
Look, I don't want to argue anymore. Baka yan pa yung kamatay ko.
Anyway, lunch is ready. Evan, why don't you join us?
Oh, I think I need to go. Super traffic ngayon and I have another meeting to attend to. Thank you for the invitation. Maraming salamat.
Alright.
Okay. Ingat.
Thank you.
Dad, sabi ni Doc, bawas-bawas stress daw. Well, I know a great idea pang tanggal ng stress. Travel? Don't you miss it? Just the three of us?
I like that. That sounds good. Basta bawal mag-alboroto. Kundi mapapabili na naman tayo ng windchime.
Ganyan kayo, oh. Tingnan niyo nga, oh. After more than a decade, nandiyan pa rin siya. Pasway-sway lang siya dyan.
Matapos ang kinasangkutang malaking kontrobersya sa pagdawit sa kanya ni Trixie Engano sa rape case, mukhang nakamove on na nga si Ino De Leon mula dito. At ngayong araw lamang ay formal nang inanunsyo niya ang relaunch ng tahanan ni Nene Foundation na ngayon ay makikilalang Innocent Angels Haven, isang shelter para sa mga batang babae na naging biktima ng sexual abuse.
Wait, that's mine. Ako nagtayo ng foundation na yan.
I'm very excited to take on this journey. Well, hindi naman ako bago sa charity works, but this time around, I'm really gonna be focusing on helping these young girls live out their best lives after everything they've been through.
Fake! Fake, 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 fake!
Ramir? Are you okay? Kailangan mo ba ng tubig? Mirna, tubig, please, kay sir mo.
Mom, don't tell me you're still shopping.
Well, just call it retail therapy. Whatever.
Gets naman kita. Ang dami-dami mong iniisip sa amin ni Dad. Tapos dumagdag pa yung nangyari sa
Ma'am, we have
foundation.
other designs for the shawl po. But if you want, ma'am, may mga bagong cardigans kami.
Yeah. I'll get that.
They're so pretty. But wait, Miss Birdie, I like this design of the shawl.
Oh, sige, ma'am, I'll get it for you. And also your tea. Have a seat, ma'am.
So, VIP shopper ka rin pala dito. I bet, kinuha mo yung cardigan?
Hindi ba narinig kanina? Ang sabi ko, kumuha ng bagong design ng shawl.
Oh, shawl. Sa bagay, mas madaling takpan at ipatong kesa yung cardigan. Excuse me, this is my